Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. This video I'm going to be showing you how to trade the Ethereum Classic on this trading platform. We received a lot of requests from traders requesting for a strategy for this platform. As you can see, this is the first video for this platform, and this strategy was discovered within 30 seconds. So, and I decided to record this live trading. This is a new account, just signed up a few minutes ago. So here we can see I kind of love the trading platform. The design is a bit deep, so we're going to change this. I'm trying to study this design, so we're going to change this to light dim right here. So then make sure you change this to binary. Don't leave it in forex. Make sure you change it to binary. It has to be in binary. So here we're going to be trading the Ethereum Classic. As you can see, it is a new account, and we just made $2,065 on this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more strategy on this platform, and make sure you sign up using the link in the video description on the YouTube to get a free account to test this on demo. Also join our forum for written tutorials on this platform as well. So here we're going to be using the area chart indicator which has been set. So this is the current the trading section where you select whatever you want to trade. So here we picked the Ethereum. We set this to Ethereum, then this is the Ethereum right here. We clicked on it. So this is the chart. So here we set this to 51 seconds. 51 seconds. It has to be in 51 seconds. That's the indicator timer. Then the trading timer has to be in 1 minute. You can see the trading timers. There's one important thing I want to show you here, which I've noticed. Here you must not mark this do not show message, so that we won't click on execution automatically. So don't mark it. So you can see we are not seeing any movement, so we have to move this to where the movement starts from, so that we can see the movement of this indicator. We push it back. Seeing the thing has been moving from here. You can see this is what we are looking for. So you have to see this movement, so that when you click this, you're able to see before you click on the execute the trade button. So here we're going to be trading the up, and we're going to be staking $1,000. This is a demo, so let's play with it. We've placed some few trades, and we won all the trades using this strategy. As you can see all the forecasts are correct. You can see they're all correct. So once you've set everything correctly, so what we're going to be working with is this movement. Once it goes down with speed, we click on execute. We click on execute trade. So then we can click on this button and be watching it. So once it goes down, we quickly click on execute trade. Just be watching, don't click yet. You have to watch the movement of this thing to go down towards this area before you click on the execute trade. And we're going to be working on with the up trading only. The up trading. The advantage of this platform is that you can easily close your trade before it gets to the time. Once you're in profit, you can quickly close your trade. If you want to go with maybe small profit and all that, you can easily sell your trade back. So you can see the trading time is 1 minute. So we have to wait for this thing to go down. Let's move it close a bit. We have to wait for it to go down before we click on execute trade. Remember, do not mark this, because if you mark it, you are clicking on the execute trade immediately. So make sure it's unmarked. So we have to watch the movement very well. You can see it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, down. Then I click on execute. So here we're going to go to the trade. You can see the movement of this is the trade that we just placed right now. This is the time. We set it to 1 minute. So you can see as it's counting, we are not in profit yet. So if we want to sell, we can sell at 460, 480, and we lost 210 because it's going down, and we still have like 37 34 seconds left. So it's going down, it's going down. We keep watching the timer. It's going back up. You can see it's going up. Let's keep watching the timer. Let me close this. Let's keep watching. It's going up, it's going up. You can sell at this rate. If you are scared because of the time, let's leave it. Let's leave it. You can see it's going up, it's going up. We have 9 seconds, we have 6 seconds. So you can see that we won this trade because it went up and our forecast was correct. You can see this is a trade we just placed now. You can see, let me open it. This is the trace ID. Our forecast was correct. It is the time. So you can see our account balance. We have 12,855. So let's play with few more trades again, like 5 trades. So let me click on this up again, then we watch the indicator, we watch it, we wait for it to go down. Make sure you set everything correctly. Like I said, this is the first time I'm testing this on this strategy, on this platform, sorry. So we have to wait for it to jump down. All the trades we place using this strategy, all of them are correct. You can see we placed like 1, 2. So before I started the video, I placed 2. You can see it's down, it's down. I click on execute trade. So then I go to, you can see the trade again. So we have 50 something seconds left. So if you want to sell, we can sell at this price. It will be a loss. We are in profit, back to loss, profit. This is the timer. We still have like 39 seconds left. You can see it's going up because we are still in profit. You can sell at this rate and go with this little profit. We can wait for the timer to stop, then we'll close the trade on a higher profit. So you can see we are already on higher profit. The thing has gone up and we have like 19 seconds. So if you are scared that the thing will go back to where we started from, we can really click on sell. We still have few seconds left and we are still in profit anyway. It has gone down. We have 1 seconds. We are back in profit. The focus was incorrect. I should have sold instantly when the thing was going down, but I was waiting for it to go up. So in case you are watching the indicator and it's going down and the timer is close to the last seconds, you can really click on sell so that you make the little profit. So you have to wait again for it to go down before we place it. That's the first lost. So we have to wait. And what we'll try to sell before the timer runs out in this trade, this next trade, so that we'll see how much we'll make. So the weight's going down. The movement is zigzag, so we have to give it some time to go down. You can see it's going down, so I clicked on execute. So this is the timing. So then we go to trade. Okay, this is the trade. So you can see we are already in profit here. The thing has gone up. This is where we entered from, but we still have few seconds. So if you sell at this rate, we will make $200 because our stake is 1,000. where we are still up and the gap is still much, and we still have few seconds left, so it's still up. So if it's going down towards this level, we can quickly click on sell and go with a little profit. So it's going down, then we are still up. We have few, it's going down, we have few seconds left, we are in profit. So you can see we won that trade. We've lost just one trade, we won that trade, and we're back in profit again, you can see. So I'm going to stop here because I have other things to do. In the next video, we're going to study the platform very well and release more strategies on this platform. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you sign up using the link in the video description to get a free broker account. I love the interface, like I said, and we'll be releasing more videos on this platform. So thanks for watching. Bye.